Question 1. Who interpreted King Nebuchadnezzar's dreams? Joseph, Daniel, Jeremiah, Ezekiel. Daniel. Question 2. What was Paul's original name? Saul, Peter, John, Simon. Saul. Question 3. Who cut Samson's hair? Ruth, Delilah, Esther, Rahab. Delilah. Question 4. What is the greatest commandment according to Jesus? Do not steal. Love the Lord your God. Honor your father and mother. Do not covet. Love the Lord your God. Question 5. Who was the first judge of Israel? Deborah, Othniel, Samson, Gideon. Othniel. Question 6. How many years did the Israelites wander in the desert? 20, 30, 40, 50. 40. Question 7. Who was the queen of Persia who saved her people? Vashti, Esther, Ruth, Miriam. Esther. Question 8. What was the name of Abraham's first son? Isaac, Ishmael, Jacob, Esau. Ishmael. Question 9. Who denied Jesus 3 times before the rooster crowed? Judas, Peter, John, Thomas. Peter. Question 10. How many books are in the New Testament? 24, 27, 29, 31. 27. Question 11. Who was the prophet that confronted King Ahab? Elisha, Elijah, Isaiah, Micah. Elijah. Question 12. What was the name of Moses' sister? Hannah, Miriam, Sarah, Rachel. Miriam. Question 13. Who was thrown into the sea during a storm? Jonah, Paul, Peter, Thomas. Jonah. Question 14. How many times did the Israelites march around Jericho? 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. Question 15. Who interpreted the writing on the wall for King Belshazzar? Isaiah, Ezekiel, Daniel, Jeremiah. Daniel. Question 16. Who was the mother of Samuel? Ruth, Hannah, Sarah, Abigail. Hannah. Question 17. What is the name of the place where Jesus was crucified? Gethsemane, Golgotha, Mount Sinai, Mount of Olives. Golgotha. Question 18. Who was swallowed by a great fish? Job, Jonah, Ezekiel, Nehemiah. Jonah. Question 19. Who was the king who had a dream about a statue with a head of gold? Saul, Solomon, Nebuchadnezzar, Darius. Nebuchadnezzar. Question 20. Who led the Israelites into the promised land? Aaron, Moses, Joshua, Caleb. Joshua.